Hi guys, so today we're going to go through the for loop in C#. The for loop combines the three elements of the iteration into one group. It has the initialization expression, then the termination condition expression, and then the counting expression, all in one basically. So it's a much more readable code. So go to Visual Studio, go to New Project. We'll just choose console application and write for loop. So okay, and then in your static void main, we're just going to do a for loop. So you just write for, and then in brackets we're going to have three different parts. The first part is your the initialization. So we'll just say int I equals 1, so that initializes your variable, and then a semicolon, and then we have to put in the termination condition to terminate out of the loop. So we'll just say while I is less than or equal to 10, it must keep running this loop, and then the last part is the counting expression, so what we wanted to do for every loop. So we'll just increment I by 1 every time, and then just go out of that, and inside some curly braces we'll just write what we wanted to do. We'll just write a console.writeLine, and then just a little message. The value of I equals, and then inside curly braces we'll just put the value of I in there, and then close that with a semicolon, and then just want to do outside here, I'll do a console.readLine, just so that it doesn't just execute and close the program. Okay, just say start, and then you can see it just iterates through. It increments 1 every time by 1, so it basically counts to 10. So that's basically your for loop. I have actually got an example of where we can use it, so let me just get that ready for you guys. So one of the things we can use a for loop for is there's this website called Project Euler that has different kinds of math problems that we can solve with different applications. So we'll just I'll just show you. This is quite a popular one to use for loops with. It's problem 4 in Project Euler. I'll put a link to this problem in the description. So it's a palindromic number, reads the same both ways. The largest palindrome made from two digit numbers is 9009. So it's a palindrome because if you read it from left to right, it's 90, and if you read it from right to left, it's also 90. So it's the same from both sides. So that's the equation to get to that. So they want us to find the largest palindrome made from the product of two 3-digit numbers. So we can use for loops to help solve this equation. So if you go into your Visual Studio, just say new project, and then we'll just use a console application. You can just call it whatever you like, and then to solve this, we'll have a list box of type integer, call it palindrome. It's equal to a new list box. For now, we'll leave it empty. I saw this on another guy's channel. I'll just put the link to his channel in the description as well. So we're declaring an array, and then here's our for loop basically. So for a shortcut, you can just type in for and press tab twice, and then inside this we're gonna have another for loop. Type for and press tab twice, and then so basically we have to set the value here. So we're gonna look for everything that is a 3-digit number. So the highest number we can possibly have is 999, and then while this number is more than 99, because it has to be a 3-digit number, so we want between 100 and 999. We're gonna decrement this. We'll just say I minus minus, and then we'll say this one we'll call J. The same principle here. We'll just say, well, it's more than 99. Sorry, I mean J here. And sorry, J minus minus. So this will go through all the calculations you can possibly have. And then in here, we'll just give value is going to be equal to I times J. And then in the array, we're just going to put those values in the array basically. And then we just want to convert it to characters, to an array of characters. And then to find the palindromes, we want to reverse the array and then compare it to the value numbers. And if it's reversed and it's the same as the value numbers, then it's obviously a palindrome. So we're just reversing the array here. And then we'll put a little if statement. If the value is equal to the reversed value, to the list of palindromes that we'll add it to the list if it is a palindrome. So we'll put the value in there if it meets the criteria. Okay, and then just outside this, we just want to display the value, so just write okay, we'll just say solution, and then we'll take the palindrome of the highest value, so palindrome.max, so that will be the highest palindrome you can get from multiplying two three-digit numbers together. No, I'll just put console. Not read line, just to stop it from closing. And then we'll run it. Okay, so this is the palindrome 906609. So if you read it from the left, it's 906, and from the right, it's 906. So this is the solution to the question here in Project Euler Problem 4. But what I wanted to show you was just how you can use for loops. So we're using two for loops inside each other here to basically go through from 99 to 999, and to have two values like that, and then to multiply them together. So this iterates through all those values quite quickly. So we initialize it here, and then we give this is just to give us a way out of the loop. So once it's while it's more than 99, it must carry on decrementing this basically, and then it just multiplies the numbers together. It reverses the array, compares the two, and if they are the same, then it's a palindrome, then it adds it to the list, and then basically, yeah, we just pull the highest value from the palindrome out there. So this is just sort of a complicated one, but it just shows you how you can use for loops. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.